Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to share Disney Plus account. So in order to share your Disney Plus account with anyone, all you need to do is to share your login credentials to a family member or a friend you are trying to share your account with. First of all, make sure that you've signed up for a Disney Plus account. Also, you must have a subscription for Disney Plus in order to share an account with a family member or a friend. Go ahead and open a web browser and type in disneyplus.com and log into your account after you have a Disney Plus account. Now, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your name and then add profile to your friend or family member by clicking on Add Profile. Create a profile for the person. On Disney Plus, you can create up to 7 profiles in one account. On the next page, choose an avatar for your profile creation, or you can also skip this step by clicking Skip at the top right. Here I'm just gonna pick up this image over here. Now go ahead and give it a name to your profile. You can type in the name of the person you are trying to share your profile with, and if you want to enable junior mode for that particular profile, enable the toggle menu right next to junior mode. After you are done with everything, click on Save, and to access the full catalog, click on Full Catalog, enter your password for your Disney Plus account and click Continue in order to make further changes such as adding a PIN to access the particular profile. You can set up a 4-digit PIN and click on the Set Profile PIN button. Now that you've created and added a new profile, you can go ahead and share your Disney Plus account's login information to your friend, and also make sure to let them access the account by handing over the profile pin as well. You can also disable the profile pin anytime you want. But remember that if you share your login with too many people, you risk getting locked out if everyone tries to stream at once. So that is how you can easily share your Disney Plus account with a friend or a family member of yours. All you need to do is to create a profile for them or let them create a profile for themselves after sharing them your login email ID and password for Disney Plus. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.